Hello everyone, today I will do homework the 60 and the 71. Okay. This question. A small block of mass M1 105 kg is released from the rest shaped frictionless wedge of mass M2 30 kg, which sits on a frictionless horizontal surface shown as figure. When the block leaves the wedge, its velocity is measured to be 4 meters per second to the right. And the first question, what is the velocity of the wedge after the block reaches the horizontal surface? And the second question is, what is the height of the wedge? Okay, we have this is a wedge. Oh, okay, I painted our question, and in A section there are two objects at the rest, and in the B picture they are moved. M1 moved to the right and M2 moved to the left. Okay, and we need to find the first question. V4. This is the velocity of M2 after the collision, and the second question we need to find the height of the M2. Okay, first we need to find a question. Okay. Firstly, in A section is at the rest, and the momentum will be this 0, and in the first this momentum and this momentum is equal to, and this first momentum is 0, and the second momentum is equal to m1 and the v third and minus m2 and the v4, because this is moved to the left and this is moved to the right. Okay, we need m1 v3 v3 is equal to m2 v4. We need to find v4. This is m1 v3 divided by m2, and this is equal to, okay, 0.5 multiplied by 4 and divided by 3, and this is equal to the 0.67 meter per second. Okay, this is the velocity of the M2 after collision. And the next question, we need to find the height of the second object, and this is like, I will define it like this formula. Okay, A energy A is equal to energy B. This is the first situation and this is the second situation. Okay, in the first situation we have only one energy. This is the potential energy mgh. Okay, and this is under m1 g h is equal to, second situation have two kinetic energy. First is m1 and the second is m2's energy. Okay, m1 v squared divided by 2 plus plus m2 v4 square divided by 2. Okay, mgh is equal to this, and we need to find the height. H is equal to m1 v square plus m2 v square and divided by 2 m1 g. Okay, and we need to just write the numbers. The m1's number is equal to the 0.5 and the multiply by 4 square plus 3 plus 0.67 square and divided by 2 multiply by m1 is 0.5 and the g is equal to 10. Okay, and I calculated with the form, and this answer will be 0.94 meter. Okay, next question is 71. Okay, a 5-gram ballot moving with the initial speed of 400 meters per second is fired into the passes through the 1 kilogram block as shown here. The block initially at rest on a frictionless horizontal surface is connected to a spring of force constant 900 Newton per meter. If the block moves 5 cm to the right after impact, first question is find speed at which the bullet emerges from the block, and the second question is the energy loss in the collision. Okay, I draw the situation. The first situation, the bullet will fly to the right with velocity 400 meters per second, and the second situation is bullet from here at here, and the block is moved to the right with 0.05 meter. Okay, and we need the first question. A, find the speed bullet v3. Okay, firstly we need to write the moment, and in first situation momentum have m1 v1 and the plus 0 because his block is at the rest, and is equal to p1 pa is equal to pb. And the second situation, this block is moved to the right to the left, and this block is moved to the right. Okay, m1 v3 and the plus m2 v4. This is the momentum, but we need to find the this velocity v4, and we can find this like energy a1 and e b. Okay, in the A situation we have the only one kinetic energy, mv quadrat, and in second situation we have the only one this energy. Oh, we can, I'm sorry, we need to find only B situation, A1 and A2 in the B situation. Okay, this is the spring energy and this is the kinetic energy of this block. And okay, maybe M2 V4 square divided by 2 is equal to the K x square divided by 2. Okay, in this formula, in this case, we need to find the V4, and V4 is will be Kx square divided by M2, and is in the root. Okay, K is equal to the 900, and the x is equal to 0.05 square divided by 1, and this is in the root. Okay, I calculated this. And this answer will be 1.5 meter per second. This is the velocity of the block after the collision in the B situation. Okay, and we need to just write this momentum and find this V3, the velocity of bullet after collision. Okay, M1 is equal to the M1 is equal to 0.005 kilogram multiplied by 400 plus 0 and is equal to M1 0.005 V3 plus 1 kilogram and 0.5 meter per second. Okay, V3 is equal to will be 100 meter per second. Okay, we will find I find the velocity of the bullet for after collision. Next question, we need to find the energy loss in the collision. Okay, in the A situation, we have the one energy is kinetic mv equals mv square divided by 4 and divided by 2, and the second question we have the two kinetic energy, and okay, energy loss energy is equal to E1 and A2. Okay, E1 is the mv m1 v1 square divided by 2 and the minus m1 v3 square divided by 2 plus m2 v4 square divided by 2. Okay, loss energy is equal to the amount MV2 0.005 multiplied by 400 square divided by minus 0.005 multiplied by 100 square divided by 2 plus M2 is equal to the 1 and then multiplied by 1.5 square divided by 2. Okay. The answer will be 374 joule. This is the loss energy of this situation. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye for your attention.